Can you unblock yourself on Instagram if someone has blocked you? If someone has blocked you on Instagram, there is no official way to unblock yourself since Instagram respects users' privacy and choices. But today we are here with a few workarounds that may help you interact with the person again. So now, this is the account that has been blocked from someone. First of all, just open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Now, the first method to work around is create a new Instagram account. If the person has blocked your main account, they won't see a new account unless they block it too. Now, all you have to do is create a new Instagram account. You can use a different email or phone number to create a new account and try reaching out to that person. So that is it. Or also, you can sometimes wait it out. People block others temporarily, they might unblock you after some time as well. If you believe you were unfairly blocked due to spam detection, you can report the issue via Instagram Help Center as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.